Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. If you're new to this channel, my name is Queen. I'm a pharmacist and a health enthusiast, and I try to show you guys healthy recipes, substitutes for your meals, your snacks and stuffs like that. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my ice cream. I make my ice cream in two ways, the French style and the Philadelphian style. Don't worry, you're going to see it very soon. But before that, a little fun fact about ice creams. Ice creams are not really the healthy choice, so to say, but if you make it yourself, you can tweak it a bit to make it healthy. Store-bought ice creams have some additives, the natural flavors, artificial flavors we know, of course, and they also have some colorings that's, well, putting everything together is not healthy, taking over time. So one good thing about making ice creams yourself is that you get to control the type of milk, you get to control the amount of sugar you put in it, and you get to make it a bit more fun, you know, like adding maybe fresh fruits, adding nuts, chocolate chips, anything of your choice. And yeah, for the adults, a little bit of alcohol. And also one thing about ice cream contains a whole lot of calories, so if you're in for gaining weight, ice creams are your best choice. And if you want to lose weight, I think you should just stay clear of ice creams for now. Ice cream contains a whole lot of proteins, yeah, because of the milk, and it contains calcium and phosphorus too, which are good for your bones. Now, the fat content of ice cream can be controlled by you. You can use low fat milk instead of the full fat, full cream milk. So that way you control the amount of fat in your ice cream. So let's see how I make my own ice cream. In the Philadelphian style, we have heavy cream, evaporated milk, honey, and vanilla extract. I'm using evaporated milk because it has a lot of protein content compared to others. So first, we pour our cream inside the bowl. I use the one for whipping because it's sweetened. There is also one for cooking, but let's use the one for whipping. After that is our evaporated milk, then our honey. I am using honey in place of sugar, but you can use sugar for yours. It still will give you a very nice result. Now I use my hand mixer and mix it till it gives a very creamy texture. 8 minutes after whipping, and yeah, you can see it's very creamy. Next, we add a tablespoonful of vanilla extract to sweeten it. You can add whatever sweetener you want. Then we whip it till it gives a slightly stiff peak. As you can see, a slightly stiff peak. Then we take this to the freezer for 1 hour. 1 hour later, and you can see it has stiffened. So we use the mixer to deflate any air bubbles and make it creamy again. So a little more vanilla extract just in case. So here you can put in your chocolate chips, your strawberries, anything you want to put because it will not disturb the freezing process. So yeah, here is the time you put any extra you want to put. So a little scoop to show you how creamy our ice cream is. Wow, can you see this? So lovely! Our ice cream is ready and we are transferring it to the container and taking it back to the freezer actually, not the fridge, so that it can chill for up to 24 hours, then ready to be eaten. For our French style ice cream, we have eggs, the heavy cream, brown sugar, and full cream milk. Well, not evaporated because the eggs already have proteins in them. So next thing, ta-da, is our egg yolk. Please, a round of applause. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So we add a little bit of the brown sugar into the egg. Yeah. So the sugar here helps break the eggs, keeps it smooth, and avoid cuddling up during the ice cream process. We give it a good mix here. Yep. Then the sugar is added to the heavy cream and we put it on the fire to boil. So we add that to our egg and sugar mix and mix it a bit. Yeah. So I transferred my eggs from the other plate to this one because it's bigger and it would contain everything. The whole mix is transferred into a pot. So we take the entire mixture back to boil, actually to simmer, till it thickens. Continue stirring too. After that, you pour the cold milk into the mixture, then sieve. Apologies, I couldn't find the footage where I poured my milk into the mixture, but you sieve there to make it smoother. So after sieving it, here we have some lumps inside and we have the remaining mixture. We pour that into the bowl and we'll mix it with our hand mixer till it's creamy, just like the other one. So from here on, it's the same with the Philadelphian style. So if you're enjoying this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And our ice cream is ready. The French style ice cream is actually creamier, smoother, and denser than the Philadelphian style ice cream. I hope you enjoyed watching me make my own ice cream. So I would like to know how you make yours and what other fun things you would want to put in your own ice cream, because yes, I know some of you were drooling. So see you next time.